Today I'm going to be showing you how I use the RevAir for a quick and easy blowout. Some of you guys may already know, but I've been using the RevAir pretty consistently since about 2019, and I haven't done a blowout any other way except for with the RevAir. So the proper way to use the RevAir is to use it on freshly washed hair. I know a lot of people use it with product on the hair, but you're not really supposed to do that according to some of the guidelines that they had shown me a long time ago. So I try to avoid using the RevAir with any excess product. So this is the part that your hair goes into, and this is what it looks like. The 2 lines is the hottest setting, and the 1 line is the warm setting, and the middle circle one is with no heat, just air. I alternate between the middle setting and the warm setting. I hardly use the hot setting. It's still not very hot. It's not really hot enough to damage your hair in my opinion. I haven't seen any heat damage with this, even when using it on the hot setting. But I just like to use the warm and the cool setting. And this is what the tension settings look like. It goes all the way up to 7. And I always do it on a 7. I recommend if you have coily hair, you do it on a 7. And you just press this 7 times and it goes up, and then you can decrease it as well whenever you need to. And it only turns on when you press the plus button for this updated version. The RevAir is pretty straight to the point and easy to use. I think anyone can do it, but some things that you are gonna wanna make sure you have with the RevAir is a bottle of warm water, which I like to keep on me because I like to make sure my hair is damp when blow drying, and some kind of comb or brush. So I'm just gonna show you up close how I do my first section of hair and how I get the best results. Then I'm just gonna quickly show you the rest of the process of my entire head so that you can see what the RevAir can fully do. By the way, they are having a Black Friday sale, so if you wanted to get the RevAir at the best price that they have so far, I recommend clicking on the shopping link down below. But let's start. So the first thing I do is re-wet my hair to make sure it's at least damp. Then I start thoroughly combing it through, and once I know my hair is fully detangled, I can put the RevAir on the 7 tension. You can do whatever tension setting works for you. You might have to play around with it a little bit. But then I go in sections big enough to fit inside of the hole, and then I begin reverse air drying. I just let it sit there for maybe about 30 seconds, maybe 60, and then I'll take it out and comb my hair through and then put it back on again. And that's how I personally get the sleekest results. Also, by the way, because RevAir is friction free, unlike normal blow drying sessions where you have to use a round brush and heat at the same time, the RevAir preserves hair strength, shine, color, and overall health. So now here, once I take this out, you'll see my full results. Like I said, the RevAir is very straight to the point. No unnecessary arm movements. My arms never get tired using it because all you have to do is literally just hold it there. So now I'm going to show you quickly the rest of my process with the RevAir, and you can see my final results at the end. So that is the full tutorial on how I use the RevAir. You can find the link to the RevAir down in the shopping shelf link down below, or you can find it in the description box. Keep in mind they are having a pretty big sale for Black Friday, so if you've ever been interested in getting a RevAir, this is the best time to get one. Also, please do not forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. But yeah, that's it.